Hi there. With this trick I'm about to show you, you never have to dial a number whenever you want to call a person. So there are a lot of times emergencies that we want to call someone, so we have to be going through our contacts looking for the number or trying to remember the number and start dialing it. All of this is very stressful. So I'm going to show you a method where you can actually just do things quickly and get the number quickly and stress over. So watch out. And so the first thing you have to do is that you just have to go to your dial pad where you dial, okay, where you have all your contacts, and as if you want to make a call, okay, so click on the keypad like you want to make a call. So you have the buttons there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, okay. So what I want you to do is that just choose any of the numbers out there, like from 1 to 9, okay. So for example, I'm going to press 2, but you're not going to just click on the 2, you're going to press it for long, let's say like 2 to 3 seconds. So once you do that, you press 2 to 3 seconds rather, you see something prompt up, no speed dial setting items set now, okay. It might be different for different phone. I'm using an itel phone, okay. So it's asking me, do you want to add a speed dial there? So that is, we are going to add a number to this number 2. So just click on okay. So once you do that, it opens another panel for us, okay. So I just have to select the number 2. So like inside the number 2, I'm going to save contacts there. So I can just choose any contact. Let's say mom. Okay, so let's say mommy. Okay, so I'm saving my mom's contact inside my key, inside this as a speed dial. So it's in number 2. Okay, so like for example, now let's say for example I want to call. So let's say I want to call. So now instead of having to type my mom's number, what I just have to do is just to press the number 2 for a long time, and automatically, you see the number came up. Now it's asking me, do you want to call the number, asking me to choose the SIM card, but I want to call in AfriCell or QCell. So that's basically how easy it is to do that. You can do this for any of the number. You can try it for number 3 to add a speed dial. So each of the numbers can have their own speed dial, okay. I can go for 3 and select contact. So like contacts that you call often, you can just do that, and it's very easy for you, okay. So like if you call this person often, you can just set the person number to number 2, the speed dial to number 2. So anytime you want to call the person, you just have to press number 2 for a long time, and then it prompts up. So if the person you can have at most 9 numbers that you can use there. Usually number 1 is actually reserved, okay. So you might have from 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to 9 and 0 that you can actually list. So I hope you love this new trick. Please feel free to subscribe, like the video and share, and you can share with your friends so actually they learn from it, and then it's easier for them just to call you. So instead of them having to type your number out or dial your number out, they just have to press the button for a few seconds, and then the number pops up, and then you can call. So less stress, huh? Okay, so we'll see you again next video. Bye.